Good morning, students. In today's lecture of the subject Services Marketing, we will be studying the techniques for improving service quality. See what happens. What is service quality? Yes, we are going through this content. And why service quality? Is it? What is service quality and why service quality? Is it? These are the two important questions which every time a service provider needs to answer. So, what is service quality? Service quality means the essential features into your service, the essential features into your service or whatever service you're offering through your unit or through your center. So, whenever we consider service quality, is it why service quality is needed? Yes, okay. See, nowadays, yes, the customer is treated as king of the market, right? So, whenever we consider customer, this king of market, okay, it is quite harder. It is quite harder for the producer or for the manufacturer or to the owner of the business to retain the customers, because as we all know, any service whichever you take, is it, as an example, any service whichever you assume, is it, there are a number of competitors who are working or who are striving harder to provide the service, is it. So whenever we think about this cutthroat competition, whenever we think about this cutthroat competition, what happens? Yes, the manufacturers or the service providing agencies, is it, the service provider, this person, he needs to be very careful, is it, he needs to be very careful in what, is it, very careful in the respect of the provision of service, in the provision of service, is it. So whatsoever service he is providing, whether the features of those services, they are as per the needs of the consumer, as per the expectations of the consumer, whether the customer's needs, they are fetched through your service, is it, whether they are feeling that their needs are satisfied, by consuming your service, is it, all these issues you are related or you are supposed to think about it, is it. बघा, नुसती सर्विस प्रोव्हायडिंग सेंटर किंवा सर्विस प्रोव्हायडिंग एजन्सी किंवा तुमच्या बिझनेस थ्रू सर्विस प्रोव्हिजन करणं, इज इट, एवढंच नाही आहे ते. ओके, जेव्हा आपण आपल्या सर्विसचा विचार करतो, इज इट, बघा, आपण आत्ता कुठल्याच गोष्टीची मोनोपॉली घेऊ शकत नाही, इज इट. जेव्हा आपण कुठल्याही बिझनेसचा विचार करतो, इज इट, what is inevitable? Competition is inevitable, is it, and customer is the king of the market, is it. So this person, this king of the market, is it, he doesn't tolerate, is it, if you're providing inferior quality, is it. क्वालिटीच्या बाबतीत तो कुठल्याही प्रकारे तडजोड करत नाही, इज इट. तो समजा एखाद्या गोष्टीसाठी 10 रुपये देत असेल, इज इट, तो समजा एखाद्या गोष्टीसाठी 10 रुपये देत असेल, तर 10 रुपयेपेक्षा जास्त तो त्याच्या थ्रू जे व्हॅल्यू आहे, इज इट, एक्सपेक्ट करणारच, इज इट. एखाद्या गोष्टीसाठी जर तो 10 रुपये देत असेल तर 10 रुपयेपेक्षा मला जास्त सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मिळालंच पाहिजे, इज इट, अशी त्याची अपेक्षा असते. आणि जर तुम्ही तुमच्या सेंटर थ्रू जर सर्विस चांगली प्रोव्हाइड करत नसाल, तर काय होतं, तो जो कस्टमर आहे तो डायव्हर्ट होतो, इज इट. तो जो कस्टमर आहे तो डायव्हर्ट होतो म्हणजे काय, इज इट. बघा, कॉम्पिटिटर्स रेडी आहेत तुमच्या कस्टमरला कॅच करण्यासाठी, डायव्हर्सिफाय करण्यासाठी, इज इट. सो इथे काय गरजेचं आहे, येस, ओनली क्वालिटी इन टू द सर्विस. सो व्हॉट इज क्वालिटी? येस, हाऊ डू यू डिफाईन क्वालिटी? क्वालिटी इज द कन्फर्मेशन quality is the confirmation to the requirements. Is it? What is the definition of quality? Quality is the confirmation to the requirements, means what the customer requires. If those things they are found into your product, the customer whatsoever he thinks, if it is found into the service which you are providing, surely the customer will say that this product is having quality. Is it? So every time whenever we think about service development or launching of a service, what we should be caring about, we should always care about a thing, that is quality factor into the service. If there is no quality, the customer will not prefer your product. Okay, so whenever we consider service quality, why we should ensure quality into the service which we are offering? Because is it, nowadays in this cutthroat competition, wherever you do find many of the service providers working in the same service product line. Is it? What you are required to do? You are required to be keen, prompt. Is it? And you are required to be, yes, caring about each and everything which happens through युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन. ओके, म्हणजे तुमची जी ऑर्गनायझेशन आहे, त्या ऑर्गनायझेशन थ्रू जेही सर्विस तुम्ही प्रोव्हाइड करत असाल, त्या सर्विसमध्ये क्वालिटी आहे का हे बघणं तुमचं कर्तव्य आहे. कारण की काय होतं की ह्या 21st सेंचुरीमध्ये जेव्हा आपण ह्या मॉडर्न एराचा विचार करतो, तेव्हा जर तुमचा जो कस्टमर आहे, तो कस्टमर ज्याला आपण किंग ऑफ द मार्केट असं म्हणतो, त्याने समजा किंवा जेव्हा तो तुमचं प्रोडक्ट प्रेफर करतो, तुमची सर्विस प्रेफर करतो, तुमच्या सर्विसचा उपभोग घेतल्यानंतर, तुमच्या सर्विस कन्झ्युम केल्यानंतर जर त्याला सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मिळालं नाही, तर काय होईल? येस, जर त्याला सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मिळालं नाही तर तो नेक्स्ट टाईम तुमचं प्रोडक्ट विकत घेणार नाही. दॅट्स इट. सो ॲज अ सर्विस प्रोवायडर you should always be thinking about a thing, that is whatsoever we are providing through our organization. म्हणजे जेही गोष्ट आपण आपल्या ऑर्गनायझेशन थ्रू देतो आहे, त्यामध्ये क्वालिटी आहे का? त्याच्या थ्रू जे फीचर्स आपण प्रोव्हाइड करतो आहे ते कस्टमरच्या रिक्वायरमेंटनुसार आहेत का? कस्टमरचे एक्सपेक्टेशन आणि ते रिक्वायरमेंट्स मॅच होतात का? होत नसतील तर का होत नाहीत? इज इट? त्याच्यामध्ये एरर्स आहेत का? त्याच्यामध्ये डिफेक्ट्स आहेत का? इज इट? So, okay, once again we will recall the definition of quality. What is quality? Quality is confirmation to requirements. Is it? Whose requirements? Yes, the process should be C to C. That is, it should start with customer expectations or need, and it should always be ending at customer satisfaction. So whenever we think about quality into the service which you are offering, yes, in this modern era, what happens? Yes, you are required to be having quality into the service which is provided to you. Okay, getting it? So whenever we think about the ensuring quality into the service which you are offering. There are few techniques, there are few points which you are required to keep in mind so that it will be easier for you to provide always quality into the service which you are offering. ओके, बघा, जर तुम्हाला वाटत असेल being a service provider, the service which we are providing, it should always be satisfying the customer. Okay, it should be always be satisfying the customer. Then what you should be doing? Yes, you should always think that you should always be caring about it, that there is quality element into the service. Okay, getting it? So there are some techniques through which you can improve सर्विस क्वालिटी. ओके, देर आर काही टेक्निक्स आहेत बघा, ज्याच्या थ्रू तुम्ही तुमच्या सर्विस क्वालिटीमध्ये इम्प्रूव्हमेंट घडवू शकाल. ओके, so let's see what are the different techniques. First one is encourage agent feedback. See, agent here means your representative. Yes, this representative, what he does? Yes, for example, if it is a call center, the customer executive, this person, this customer executive, he comes in contact with the customer. Is it? Directly he comes into contact with the customer. So when we consider this person, this customer executive, this representative of our company, yes, he is the person who is responsible for the service encounters. Is it? He is the person who is responsible for service encounters. Means what? See, whenever we think about your agent means he is the representative of your organization. Is it? He comes into contact with the customer. So what are the ups and downs? Is it? What the customer requires, what customer hates, what customer rejects, what customer accepts, all these things, this person, he is aware about it. Because, is it? He communicates with whom? Yes, he communicates with the customer, right? He communicates with the customer. So what you are required to do? Yes, you are required. Yes, what you are required to do? You are required to take a feedback from this person. You are required to take a feedback from this person. Means what? Yes, you are required to, yes, motivate this person to share whatsoever he comes in contact with. Okay, whenever he is, yes, establishing a contact with the customer. बघा काय करायचं आहे? Encourage agent feedback. Okay, feedback of whom? Agent, who is your representative. Yes, this person, he approaches the customer, right? This person approaches the customer. Means, is it? He comes in contact with the customer. कस्टमरच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये हा येतो. बरोबर आहे? ड्यू टू दिस व्हॉट हॅपन्स? Yes, Due to this, the customer, yes, the customer shares his conversation with this person. So this person, हा जो एजंट आहे त्या एजंटला कस्टमरशी रिलेटेड बरीचशी माहिती असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, कस्टमरला कधी एखादा प्रोडक्ट आवडतो, त्याची नीड काय आहे, त्याची फर्दर डिमांड काय आहे, ओके, त्याची फर्दर नीड काय आहे, इज इट, ह्या सर्व गोष्टी त्याला माहीत असतात. त्यामुळे कंपनीने काय करायचं आहे, तर हा जो एजंट आहे त्याचा फीडबॅक घ्यायचा आहे, इज इट, त्याला त्याचा फीडबॅक शेअर करायला सांगायचं आहे. ओके, याच्यामुळे काय होईल, नेक्स्ट टाइम वेन एवर यू आर प्रोव्हाइडिंग द सर्विस, इज इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इम्प्रोवाइज युअर service. Is it getting it? Then have agents listen to their calls. See, through phone call, these agents, is it, through phone calls, these agents, they communicate with whom, with the customers. Is it, कस्टमर केअर जे आहे त्याच्यामधले जे एजंट्स असतात, तुमचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह असतात, ते कस्टमरशी कसे कॉन्टॅक्ट करतात. येस, ते कस्टमरशी कसे कॉन्टॅक्ट करतात. थ्रू फोन कॉल्स, फोन थ्रू टेलिफोनिक कॉन्व्हर्सेशन त्यांचं कस्टमरशी होतं. ओके, आता जेव्हा आपण ह्या टेलिफोनिक कॉन्व्हर्सेशनचा विचार करतो, तर काय महत्त्वाचं आहे. येस, द कॉन्व्हर्सेशन ऑर द कम्युनिकेशन विच इज डन बाय युअर एजंट विथ द कस्टमर, इट शुड बी सॉफ्ट itself. It should be in a good manner itself. The communication skills which your representative uses, it should be soft, it should be yes, there should be politeness always reflected into the toning and the conversation and the communication which this person is doing. Okay, म्हणजे हा जो व्यक्ती आहे जेव्हा तो तुमच्या कस्टमरशी बोलतो, ओके, हा जो व्यक्ती आहे तो जेव्हा तुमच्या कस्टमरशी बोलतो तेव्हा येस, तो चांगल्याच पोलाइटली सॉफ्टली त्या कस्टमरशी बोलला पाहिजे. नाही तर काय होईल, समजा ॲरोगन्सी कुठे दिसली तर तुमचा जो कस्टमर आहे, येस, ही विल बी डायव्हर्सिफाईड टुवर्ड्स युअर कॉम्पिटिटर्स प्रोडक्ट. इज इट, सो व्हॉट यू कॅन डू, you can arrange some of the training program through which, is it, softness or soft skill training will be imparted to your customers. Is it, through this what will happen, yes, it will be helpful for you as well as your organization to progress. Okay, getting it. Then what you can do, yes, you can record your agents phone calls, is it, and ask them to listen so that they will also get where they are lagging behind. Okay, कुठे ते मागे पडतात ते त्यांना समजून येईल. ओके, देन send post contact surveys after every interaction. Okay, see, if you have a contact with the communication or conversation with the customer care officer, is it, after some time, is it, a message is dropped to you, a text message is dropped to you with your concern or with your consent. Okay, in which, okay, few of the questions they are asked. What are the questions? The questions are, is it, are you satisfied by talking with our customer agent or our customer representative officer or our customer executive? Were you satisfied? Was your issue resolved? Okay, such kind of some questions they are asked to you. Okay, through this what happens, See, the company or the organization, they get to know whether the agents are practicing in a good manner or there is further need of some trainings to be provided to this person. Okay, then evaluate regularly. Okay, evaluate regularly means what? Yes, after some period of time, after a strict duration, what you are required to do? Yes, you are required to take a follow up. You are required to take a follow up. Why? Why it is needed? Yes, it is needed so that you can, yes, plan, do, check, and act. Means what? Okay, whatsoever you have planned, whatsoever you have done, is it? Whenever you check, is it what we have planned and what actually is going on? Is it you find the variations, you find the deviations, and further you can take actions so that you can improve your actions, is it? And surely you will be on the right track. Okay, getting it? Then give all agents clear and consistent standards. See, what you can do is you can issue some code of conduct in favor of agents. Means what they are required to do, what they are not required to do, is it? What is allowed, what is not allowed, is it? काय करायचं आहे की डूज अँड डोंट्स सांगायचे आहेत एजंट्सला, इज इट? हे करावं, हे करू नये, इज इट? आणि यातलं काय स्टँडर्ड आहे, त्यातलं काय स्टँडर्ड आहे, या सर्व गोष्टी, इज इट? जे सर्व तुमचे ॲस्पेक्ट्स आहेत, is it, which that agent is required to perform. Okay, in that aspect, what is the standard ones, what is the qualitative ones you are required to let this person know about this. Then take a team approach to eliminate bias. Means what? Take a team approach to eliminate bias. See, you should motivate your employees in such a way that, okay, you should motivate your employees in such a way that, okay, there will be team spirit generated, is it? And yes, you should always ask your employees to work in team. Yes, and you should always be, yes, you should always be saying that unity is strength. Okay, such kind of things. Okay, whenever you consistently, is it, whenever you consistently tell your employees, that is, tell your agent that why teamwork is needed, is it, how we can achieve or accomplish the organizational goals, is it? It will be easier for you to achieve the organizational goals, accomplish the organizational goals in a more good manner. Due to this, what happens? Okay, a kind of cooperation, oneness will be generated into your organization, and yes, it will be easier for you to accomplish whatsoever you have planned for. Okay, so with this I conclude today's lecture. Thank you.